The Indus Valley Civilization is also known as. The correct answer is Harappan civilization. The Great Bath, an important structure, was found in which site? The correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. Was the script used by the Indus Valley people? The correct answer is Indus script. Which metal was extensively used by the Indus Valley people? The correct answer is bronze. The seals found in the Indus Valley civilization were primarily made of. The correct answer is steatite. Harappa was the first site to be excavated in the Indus Valley civilization. Who excavated it? The correct answer is Dayar Ram Sahni. Which Indus Valley civilization site had an ancient dockyard? The correct answer is Lothal. Which town in the Indus Valley civilization had no citadel? The correct answer is Chanhudaro. The city of Mohenjo-daro literally means. The correct answer is the Mound of Dead. A statue of a bearded man was found at which Indus Valley site? The correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. The Indus people had trade relations with which of the following regions? The correct answer is both A and B. The largest site of Harappa in India is. The correct answer is Rakhigdi. A graduated scale on shell is found from. The correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. The earliest evidence of settled agriculture from the subcontinent comes from. The correct answer is Mehergarh. The first metal used by man was. The correct answer is copper. Which one of the following animals is not depicted on the Harappan seal? The correct answer is horse. In the excavations of Harappan sites, bones of camels have been found at. The correct answer is Kalibangan. Which among the following was the most extensive Harappan city? The correct answer is Rakhigdi. The site of Harappa is located on the bank of river. The correct answer is Ravi. Which of the following Harappan sites was found the earliest evidence of surgery? The correct answer is Kalibangan. The first cereals that early men grown were. The correct answer is wheat and barley. Which of the following is the most common motif of the Indus seals? The correct answer is unicorn. Indus Valley civilization was discovered in. The correct answer is 1921. The site of Mohenjo-daro is located on the bank of river. The correct answer is Indus. A seal depicting mother goddess with plant growing from the womb has been found from. The correct answer is Harappa. Which type of seals was the most popular in Harappan culture? The correct answer is quadrate. Indus Valley civilization site Manda is situated near the bank of. The correct answer is Chenab. From which of the Harappan sites has the evidence of bead making been found? The correct answer is Chanhudaro. Which of the following Indus Valley civilization sites provides the evidence of fire altars? The correct answer is Kalibangan. Which of the following was not worshipped by Indus Valley people? The correct answer is Vishnu. Dholavira is located in the state of. The correct answer is Gujarat. Evidence of mixed cropping is seen from which site of Indus civilization? The correct answer is Kalibangan. Who was the director of the archaeological excavation that led to the discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? The correct answer is Sir John Marshall. Which of the following sites has yielded evidence of a triple burial? The correct answer is Lothal. The terracotta plough of the Harappan civilization was found at. The correct answer is Banwali. Dadheri is a late Harappan site located in which region? The correct answer is Punjab. What were the religious beliefs of the Indus Valley people? The correct answer is the Mother Goddess. In which civilization was cotton cultivation first introduced? For clothing? The correct answer is India. From which site was the famous bull seal of the Indus Valley civilization found? The correct answer is Mohenjo-daro. A terracotta cake with an engraving of a horned deity was recovered from. The correct answer is Kalibangan.